Here's how easy it is. Here's how inexpensive it is. Here's how tasty it is. Here's how satisfying it is.
Apples, fruits, lots of antioxidants, lots of protective factors against cancers and heart disease and diabetes. All of the things that this country struggles with as far as their health. In 17 years, we've never had a medicine that the kids have taken. No antibiotics.
Problems are slipping through the cracks, and we are having food scares. We are having contamination of our food sources on a national level, to the point where the food in our grocery stores are no longer acceptable and no longer safe. They're being pulled from the shelves. When you grow organically and locally, you know the people that are providing the food. They're your neighbors.
But if people spend their money locally, it gets used and gets repurchased and respent 4 and 5 times. So it keeps the local economy going by buying locally.
Well, anytime you're eating locally and you're doing your commerce locally, you know, that money stays in your community. It helps build the community.
It's really hard work, but if you're a professional like I am, it's really easy.